Now, let's dive into today's video. Volkswagen has done it again, bringing back an iconic name with a modern twist. The 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia is here, and it's a stunning blend of retro charm and futuristic innovation. This legendary coupe, originally produced from 1955 to 1974, has been reimagined for the modern era while staying true to its timeless appeal. The first thing that catches your eye is the design. Volkswagen has preserved the sleek, curvy silhouette of the original Karmann Ghia, but with sharper lines, LED lighting, and an aerodynamic body that gives it a sophisticated yet sporty look. The signature low stance and wide front grille make it instantly recognizable, while modern touches like flush door handles and a panoramic glass roof enhance its appeal. Under the hood, the 2025 Karmann Ghia comes with an all-electric powertrain, embracing the future of mobility. Equipped with Volkswagen's latest EV technology, it features a dual-motor setup delivering around 300 horsepower, allowing it to go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 5 seconds. The battery pack offers an impressive range of up to 300 miles on a single charge, making it both thrilling and practical for everyday driving. Inside, the cabin is a perfect blend of nostalgia and modernity. Premium leather seats with contrast stitching give a nod to the past, while a fully digital cockpit, a massive touchscreen infotainment system, and advanced driver assistance features bring it into the future. Expect a high-quality sound system, ambient lighting, and sustainable materials throughout, aligning with Volkswagen's commitment to eco-friendly luxury. In terms of driving experience, the 2025 Karmann Ghia is built on Volkswagen's latest MEB platform, ensuring a smooth and engaging ride. The low center of gravity, thanks to the battery placement, improves handling, making it a joy to drive on winding roads. Regenerative braking, multiple driving modes, and an advanced suspension system enhance comfort and efficiency. With the return of the Karmann Ghia, Volkswagen has given car enthusiasts something truly special. It's not just a revival, it's a reinvention. This electric coupe pays homage to its heritage while embracing cutting-edge technology. Would you consider driving this modern classic? Let us know in the comments. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting automotive content. Stay tuned for the next video, only on Auto Master Cars.